Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have Cheetos Flaming Hot Crunchy Chips, made by none other than PepsiCO, one of the biggest and the best consumer goods companies in the entire world. And I'm really excited to try this because everyone always talks about Cheetos. It's a very famous brand around the world, but I actually never tasted this. They don't sell this in Finland, but fortunately one of the stores they got this as export. So finally I'm able to taste this. Let's go ahead and open it up and see if it lives up to the name. Let's take a closer look at the packaging first. So, Cheetos, made with real cheese. That's good to know. I don't like artificial cheese. And they have the logo, the mascot, and it says it's called Cheddar Cheetah. Nice, very famous mascot. Everybody knows this. And some other cute logo here as well. And on the back, we have the nutrient values. I don't really understand this American way of saying the nutrient values because in Europe it's always per 100 grams, but here it's like amount per serving. Then you have to see how much is one serving. Here it says 21 pieces, which equals like 28 grams, so it's really complicated to calculate the nutrient value here. So I don't like that about American way. And here it's Doritos, Lay's, Ruffles. These are the other chip brands that are under the Frito-Lay that is owned by PepsiCO. And what does it say here? Count 21 Cheetos. Eat 20 now, say one behind your ear later to snack on later. That's just, this is really cringe to be honest, like who would keep the chip behind their ear? Anyway, let's go ahead and open it up. Enough talk. Okay. Ooh, look at that, they're more red than I expected. I expected them to be more orange, but they're actually like red. Ooh, I can smell it all the way from here. Smells hot already. Let's pour it in the bowl. Look at that, look at that. Nice. Is this 21 pieces? Is this one serving? I don't know. We have to find out. Look at the contrast to the blue, it's so red. Yeah, and this slice is like chicken strips or something. Let's go ahead and taste them up. Okay, it's the moment of truth. Will Cheetos live up to its name, or will I be disappointed like I do many times when I eat these American foods? Usually they're either too sweet or they have too many artificial flavors which I don't like so much. So let's see the case about Cheetos. Here we go. They're more red than I expected. The smell, it's not smelling like traditional chips, but will they taste like chips? There's only one way to find out. Here we go. Cheetos Flaming Hot Crunchy going in. They're crunchy at least. Not bad. And it's actually hot too. Really spicy chips. These are really good. You can taste the cheese when you bite it first, and then slowly the spice starts to come afterwards. And when you lick your lips, I can taste the spice again. Really good combination of flavors. Really good job PepsiCO and Cheetos and Frito-Lay. This is amazing chip. Let's eat more. The spice is building up but it's not too spicy. I like it a lot. I think it's perfect amount of spice. Look at my fingers, they're getting red. These are really good chips. I'm really positively surprised. Like, I didn't expect this kind of flavor from American snack. I thought it would be more artificial, but you can taste this is made with real cheese. I can taste the cheese for real. It's no artificial things inside this. It's all natural, baby. I'm really sad that they don't sell this in Finland. This is like really good. Really good product. And one thing to point out too is that, look at this shape. It's much easier to eat than normal chips that are like this big. You can just stuff them in your mouth. Should we try to take the advice from the packet? Save one behind your ear later. Let's see if it works. So now I have one chip over here. Are they really doing this in America? Save one behind your ear later and eat it. This makes my ear messy and greasy and red too. Yeah, that was not a good idea. Just took a shower, I have to take a shower again soon. Are my lips getting red? My mouth is getting red. Yeah. Really positively surprised. I really like this product. Like PepsiCO, Frito-Lay, you're doing an amazing job. Like, this is unique. When you first bite it, the cheese comes, you can taste the cheese, and then slowly the spice is coming afterwards, which is really unique, because how can you make this perfect blend? I don't know. Yeah, it's good. This is definitely 10 out of 10 chips. I don't know how they can make any better than this. Like, it's perfect. The price wise, I don't know how much this costs in America, but this bag actually cost €7 here in Finland because it's export. It's coming from America, so of course it's gonna be pricey, but normally chips cost like €2 per bag here. This is 7, but it definitely worth it to try like some American Cheetos original chips. Thank you PepsiCo and thank you Frito-Lay. When I come to America, I will buy this every day. And thanks for watching the review. Go ahead and buy Cheetos Flaming Hot if you haven't tasted already. This is definitely worth the money, and like the video and comment below if you have tasted this and if you like this. I will continue eating now. These are really good. Thanks for watching.